Hello everyone, Blake here from yourgmctruckstore.com. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Cadillac Escalade. It's equipped with Black Raven exterior paint. It was brought into our inventory to offer our customers the Cadillac brand. We don't sell them new, but we thought we could save you some money by getting one with extremely low K. We've certified this vehicle. This vehicle has a lot of options. If you like the full breakdown, please look below in the description on the website. It is a 7-passenger vehicle. It does have the driver awareness package, theft protection package, trailering package. One thing I do like, has a 6.2 liter V8 engine. If you haven't used this engine before, it is definitely something to consider. Come in, take it for a test drive. Got the 360 camera on this. It's really, really nice. Side running boards, upgraded wheels, everything. Remote starter for the winter or summer months. Let's go take a peek inside. On the driver's side door panel, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, memory seating, that's all standard with the Cadillac. You do have the Bose premium audio system, power driver seat. The leather in this car is soft, it's comfortable, it's great. Power glass sunroof, nice wood grain finish throughout. Power adjustable steering wheel that does link up with all your memory settings. We're just going to jump inside. There's the kilometers on the vehicle. On the left hand side of the steering wheel, you have your voice command, collision prevention, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, cruise control settings. On the right hand side, you have all your selection, volume up and down. You can change your channels on your satellite radio, your iPhone, Android, any media device. You do have the Q system in here, which is one of the top of the line systems by GM. Rear vision camera, and even up in the mirror, that turns on too, and that's a camera from the back. Super handy. Heated and cooled front seats. All these buttons are all pretty much, it's like a touchscreen, but it's super accurate. I do like it. You do have the push button start, a little bit of storage down below. You do have the wireless charging pad right on the center console. We're just going to go jump in the back seat. In the back seat of this vehicle, you do have 2 bucket seats for the center, and then you have a bench in the back. Gives you a total of 7. To get access to the third row, there's a little lever down below. Flip that once, flip it again, flips up nice and easy, and there's that seat. Now this seat does fold down, so you do have more storage in the back if needed. You can see how these seats are built. They already look comfortable without even sitting in them. Just in the back seat here, so the 2 center row seats do have heated seats. You do have some climate controls you can adjust in the back. You even have a video player. Flips down for the kids. Does play Blu-rays. Just going to give you a bit of a scan. If you have any questions about this Cadillac, my name's Blake. I work at yourgmctruckstore.com. Have a great day.